Hello and welcome back to Where's Lara Now? I'm Lara and you can tell I'm at home. So, let me get my oven going. Hold on one second. 350. Okay. Alrighty. So, this video is like 2 months in the making. Before Christmas, I bought these. The Hershey's brownie skillet and this is Nestle Toll House cookie baking kit. And they come with 2 cute, adorable little pans. And Piper and I were gonna make these sometime last month. So anyways, I was getting it all ready to go. And I took everything out. As you can see, they're not in here anymore. See, right? And then on the bottom was this that said skillet preparation and care instructions. And I'm like, what's that? And it says, before first use, preheat the oven. What? Wash and dry the skillet. Okay, got that right. And then lightly coat skillet inside and out with oil. And then bake it for 2 hours. I'm like, oh shoot. What? Basically, I'm seasoning the pan. And then it said, for best results, repeat steps 3 and 4, which is 3, lightly oil the pan, and then bake it for 2 hours, 2 or 3 times. So I'm like, that's at least 6 hours of baking. And so anyways, I've already done the first 2, not recorded. So now I'm going to record me doing the last attempt, or the last, the third time, if I could speak, of seasoning the pan so that later Piper and I can make these and we can have our own Pazookie, a brownie Pazookie and a traditional chocolate chip cookie Pazookie. So yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna pause you for 1 second, hold on. Alrighty, so here we go. I've got the paper towel. Anyways, it was hilarious. I was so mad at myself because I am known to do that, right? So I'm just gonna add some oil to the pan. For one more time. Get that all seasoned up. So that these pans, these cast iron skillets, will be ready to go. And I will say this, I'm like thinking, that's probably why when I've done this before, it didn't work out very well, because I didn't season the pan. Anyways, all right. Oil's on the pan. I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's still preheating. So we're gonna put this in the oven and then wait a couple hours for it to do its thing. And then, let's see, what is it? That means it's 4:30, 5:30, 6:30. So maybe around 7:30 tonight, Piper and I will make some Pazookies and hopefully they taste good. I don't see why they wouldn't. It's Nestle Toll House cookies and Hershey's brownies. So that in itself should be, don't be eating the plant. Do you see that? Arrows right back, right there. He's eating the plant. So anyways, these should taste good. The last ones I had, it didn't work out. So anyways, all right, like I said, this is like, I think I got it November, December, January, February. So yeah, like 2-3 months in the making. So, all right. So I'm gonna pause you again. Wait for the oven to beep. All right, the oven is ready. We're gonna put this in. I thought I pulled everything out. Hold on. I left a pan in the oven. So are you a person like me who use the oven as extra storage space? Well, I forgot to pull one of the pans out. So it's like super hot right now. 2 hours in the oven. I'm gonna stop it here and we'll come back. And when they're done, mix these up, bake them, and eat them. See you in a few hours. Alrighty, I'm back and I'm by myself. That's okay. Piper is just right over there. She's gonna help eat it, but I get to put it all together and make it. So we're gonna start with this one. That's the brownie skillet. And alrighty, let's see. That's the little one. So it comes with the little chocolate chips and the mix. And it says first, all right, put the chocolate chips with 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter. Well, I do salt it. All right, so we're back. Okay, I wanted to make sure I had the right amount. So I just put the butter in. Scissors. What's the matter with these scissors? And it says to nuke it for 15 to 20 seconds, stirring every 5 seconds. So I'm not gonna have you watch me do that. I'm gonna pause you and we'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. So I've melted the chocolate chips with the butter, and it says to then add the Hershey's mix. That's this right here. Let's see, adding the mix. Alrighty, and then add 2 teaspoons of the egg. So here is the egg, and it's beaten. And it was 2 teaspoons. Double checking, I want to make sure I'm double checking. 2 teaspoons of egg. Okay. So here we go. There's the 2 teaspoons of egg. So literally the only difference between these two is the egg for this one. Otherwise they have pretty much outside of the mix the similar ingredients. Okay, and then mix well, add 1 teaspoon of water. Here. So, here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it in the small guy. Sorry, you can't see it. I could move you down. So, how was your day today? Piper's answering. It was great for us because I came home from work last night. And when I got home last night, I didn't think I was gonna get to see little P, but lo and behold, Piper was at our house still. So I was very happy. And then she spent the night. Okay, so there we go. It's ready. Smells like brownies. Okay, now I'm gonna put all of that aside and move on to the next one. Alrighty, so we have the cookie mix and it says add the butter and water. Put the baking mix in, add the butter and water, and mix until fully blended, and then add the oil to coat the bottom of the sides of the skillet. Oh, that's it? So you don't put the, hold on one second, let me reread. Alrighty, the oven is ready, but we're not. I still need to make the cookie part. And it's gonna go into the big one. The big skillet. Alrighty, there it is. All right, a little bit of the butter right there. And then 2 teaspoons of water. Okay, the water's added. And I'm just gonna use the brownie scoop, the brownie thing that I stirred. The spatula, sorry, that I used for the brownie mix, because it's fine. There's a little bit of brownie in that cookie. So I gotta keep mixing, get it mixed well. Mix until fully blended. Alrighty. So anyways, yeah, so Piper spent the night, and then she's been hanging out all day. We went to Red Robin, and not the one in orange, because if you've watched my videos, I did 2 of them on the closing of the orange location due to greed from the owners of the mall. Anyways, so we went to the location in Garden Grove, which is pretty much just down the street. Is it a little farther? Yes, it is, but it was the drive time. I didn't I did not, what's the word, time it when we went, but on the way home, it was like just over 13 minutes. So I'm gonna say that that's not bad. That's literally just 3 minutes longer than it is to go to the one here in Orange. So that's if you add there and back. it's about 6 more minutes round trip, but you know, it's okay. Because you know what, Red Robin is our favorite, one of our favorite restaurants. And so it is what it is. All right. There we go. It's in. All right, that's ready. It says to cook this one for 10 to 15 minutes at 350, and this one is I saw it 15 to 18 minutes. So I'm just gonna put them in for 15. Alrighty. When that timer goes off, it'll be time to have Pazookies, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn you off for now. Bye. Hey, I'm back. So I took 1 egg and mixed it up and blended it, whatever. And obviously I didn't use the entire egg, so I'm not gonna waste it. So I put it in this container, and I'm gonna stick it in the fridge, and it can be used tomorrow for lunch, for someone's lunch, or breakfast. I just add a little more egg to what you already have. If you got 1 egg, now you got 1.5 eggs. Alrighty, the timer has gone off. I'm going to pull the delicious smelling, it's kind of hard to tell, am I smelling the brownie or the cookie? So here it is. The cookie looks a little like maybe I should keep it in the oven for a little bit. Hold on. I'm gonna let it cook for 3 more minutes so it gets its full time. Okay, so I have you down here so that at least you can see the cookie, still a little hot, and the brownie. I'm gonna add the ice cream. Give me a second. And then I'm gonna have Piper come over and we're gonna try it. There's one. And there's the second. All right, Piper, you ready? I'm gonna pause you for a second. All right, so here's your spoon. Alrighty, so what do you want to try first, the brownie or the cookie?
Brownie, because ice cream's making faster.
Careful, it's hot. You know what? That's actually not that bad. So it's time for the cookie. I'm gonna go with the cookie. I think, careful, you're dripping. I think the cookie is the better option. Then the brownie, maybe I should have not put it in for the 15, only the 13. Oh well, I guess that's it. I like the cookie too. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember, adventure is always out there.